It can be intimidating to make the jump to larger projects than you're used to. But as long as you stay organized, you'll be ready for that first $1 million job. As far as the makeup of large-scale bids, they don't differ significantly from the smaller proposals you're used to. But you'll need to keep your documents extremely organized and stay on top of legal considerations. If you've ever spent any time searching for something related to a project, that's a sign you need to develop a system before you make the move to those bigger jobs that come with larger plan sets. The fact that documents come digitally nowadays doesn't make it any harder to misplace them. Now we often spend far too many minutes searching through emails and folders instead of cabinets and plan rooms. Take advantage of the built-in organizational system your takeoff and estimating software should have to create standardized file naming conventions and folder structures that make sense to you and your team. Get everyone on the same page and using the system consistently before you set out to bid that first large-scale project. It's a good idea to consult legal counsel to make sure you understand what to expect in a contractor agreement, types of contracts, and language to watch out for. This is also a good time to think about developing your own terms and conditions. So break your estimate down into categories, including material costs, labor, overhead, waste, and any other indirect costs. Whether you share these breakdowns with the GC or not, it will let you see more easily where you might be able to cut or where problems might arise. The higher the stakes of a job, the more a general contractor expects of the subcontractors they evaluate for tasks. If your typical proposal is a quick Microsoft Word document with only a price indicated, now is the time to put in more effort to make your bids stand out. With Stack, you can save your terms and conditions and company logo, easily customize the way you break down your estimate, and export a professional, bid-ready PDF for the GC. As you move into the world of bigger bid opportunities, make sure you're thinking about appropriate levels of staffing and labor costs, how to finance larger projects, and how you'll deal with scope creep and change orders. Make sure you're ready for that $1 million job today. Get started at stackct.com.